Alright guys, what do? It's your boy X coming to you guys with another video. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how I use inflation to achieve one of my goals. A goal that I've been putting off because I didn't think it was the right time for me to do it because I was so focused on just growing my money. But the idea, well, the opportunity really, that I was, pretty much like pushing into my hand, it was so enticing. I took the bait. I really did. Yeah. So let's get into what I did. Alright guys, so pretty much the crevices of what happened is due to inflation, things have been going up in price astronomically. We talking wood at one point, we talking houses, steel, the price of used cars. Wink wink. What? Yeah. If you didn't know, the price of used cars have been going parabolic, let me tell you. The shortage on how quick they can create new cars is so low that the price of used cars are actually more expensive than a brand new car. Yes, you heard me right. A used car costs more than a new car. Why? Because there's just a shortage on new cars. They can't produce the cars fast enough as people want to buy them. Why? It's due to the pandemic. A lot of things have happened, where it's supplies, where it's workers. It's causing shortages a lot. And in this instance, in the car industry, used cars are pretty expensive nowadays. Like Dodge Chargers, Teslas. I think it's a Toyota 4Runner or a Highlander. These cars are like so much expensive than just buying a new car. Why? Because people are impatient. So it's like, hey, you want a new car at this price? Yeah, all right. Well, we got you. But your car won't be here for probably a month and a half. But my car just broke, so I kind of need the car like tomorrow. Unfortunately, you can't get that no more. Back in the day, you just pull up to the dealership, fill out the information, buy your car, boom, bang, boom. Probably be there for probably 2 to 3 hours, in and out. With Carvana, you probably be there. You probably got to show up. They just pull up on you. But now, it's just like, yeah, you can get the new car, just won't get it for months out. And it's just like, wow. So people just like, if I need a car, I need a car now. Due to that, used cars, which if you go buy, you can get now, are raising in value, which leads to how I was able to achieve a goal that I've been putting off. Anybody who knows me know I've been wanting a Tesla for many years now. Many years. But I was not in the right place to purchase a Tesla. I just had my son last year. I actually ended up trading in my 370Z to get a family car because I had the coupe, but I had the 2-seater. I couldn't fit everybody in there, so I ended up trading my car in. And yeah, like I said, the pandemic is like pushing this opportunity in my hand. My car, I have 2017 and a 2018 Hyundai Elantras. One's my wife, one's mine. My car, I think I bought for like $12,000 or $11,000. My car last year, the worth of it was like trading value probably around $9,000. The trading value on my car now is pushing $15,000, which is crazy. That's actually more than I bought my car for, which leads me to the opportunity that's been pushed into my hand. I read the article saying how used cars are higher. I didn't believe it. Did some research. I found that was true. Hey, found out how much your car is worth. I did it. My car can't. It's a little Hyundai. My car didn't go up that much in value. It did. So I did it, and I'm like, wow, 15 bands. That's crazy. It's way more than I actually got for the car. I'm thinking here like, well, my car's paid off. It is what it is. But then that person in the back of my mind, they'll just start going off like, hey, but you can use this to your advantage. eventually, the supply and demand will catch back up and your car will immediately drop back in value. Probably even lower than what it was. So now would be a good time to maybe potentially get that Tesla you've been wanting. No, I'm not trying to pick up no more car notes, man. I'm not with that. I'm trying to grow my money. But it was so enticing. And after doing the trade-in value, reaching out to Tesla, running the numbers, seeing what interest rate they'll give me, the pot was too sweet, man.
Oh, I like that!
The pot was too sweet. I'm gonna say it. I bought a Tesla. I'm mad excited about it. Like, I didn't think I would be getting a Tesla in time, so I really didn't. I've been really focused on just growing my money. And yeah, the opportunity was pretty good. My wife said, no, I should really do it because I've been working so hard, and pretty much every goal I put before the Tesla, like I want a Tesla. Then I'd be like, well, let me get a rental property first. I did that. Oh, I want a Tesla. Let me save up $20,000. Oh, I did that. Oh, I want a Tesla. Well, I want my portfolio to be 6 figures. I haven't achieved that one, but truthfully, I think by the end of this year, I'm going to achieve it. And like I said, Tesla, after the financing, and I went through all the numbers, they gave me a 2.49% interest rate. They were willing to give me, I think, $14,000 something for my car, which dropped the note down to like $400. And I have no other bills outside of my personal house that I live in, and now this Tesla, which bring my bill right around $1,100 a month. So it was just like all the planets are lined up like in Hercules. I'm just sitting here like, am I gonna let the beast out the cage? Is this finna happen? And I did it. I ordered me a Tesla, guys. I did it. Me. But what put me in a position to be able to do any of this? It's me living frugally, me learning how to use my money to make money for me investing my money. All these things put me in a position to get this Tesla. Now, I know what people thinking. Well, you could probably just keep investing, get the 6 figures. I know. I was thinking the same thing, but like I said, everything, the only thing that I actually wanted now, outside of, just to get the 6 figures, is the Tesla. Like I said, I have the rental property. Like I said, I have the money put up in my savings. I have the over $20,000-$30,000 portfolio. Why not? It's a gift to myself for all the hard work I'm doing. It's not like I want to stop. I'm going to continue to go forward, but it's a milestone for me. So I ordered it. Won't be here probably September, but but hey, 2.49% interest, you can't beat that with a stick. And my portfolio will outgrow that easily. I think it'll be a good investment. It's something I really, 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 really want, so I did it. But this is me telling you guys that you can do it too. You can do it too by just starting to invest, by just cutting out some of the things in your life that you overspend on. You ain't gotta just do the most. Hey, you go get some Wendy's, don't get the combo. You know what I'm saying? You hit up Popeye, just get the dinner. You ain't gotta get the combo. You don't need that little drink some water. But it's things like that that actually made a difference. I know you may not believe it, but it truly does. $2 here, $3 here, $5 here. It really starts to add up, just like dividend investing. So, pretty excited about it. Most definitely going to document this. It's a big moment for me. But yeah, guys, I got to tell you, I'm pretty hyped about it. But I just had to share it, man. I just got to tell you, these milestones I'm crossing. But it's pretty hype. Can't wait to take that drive up there and go pick it up. But yeah. Believe it, people. You can achieve things that you actually put your mind to. And I'm nobody special. I'm a mailman. That's how you know I ain't nobody special. People don't see the mailman like that. So, I'm just a regular, average Joe. But, consider subscribing to the channel, guys. We'll definitely like this video. Start to budget your money. Start to learn how to invest. Like I said, I have videos on it. If you don't like my videos, hey, there are other people on YouTube who also have videos. Just watch videos about it. Learn. gain knowledge, move forward, get out of the box that society has put you in. You can live the life that you want to live. But it's your boy Axiom, and I'm out.